Today we would like to study about Python overview and installation. This is the beginner level course, right? So this is the table of content we have to learn today, right? So first of all, we will study about introduction to Python. Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language that's easy to learn and use. Why do we call it Python is a high-level language? Because it is a human readable syntax, right? So its syntax is designed to be clean and it is very simple to understand and intuitive, resembling to the English to a great extent, right? So that is why we are going to say about it. It is a high level language, right? So after that, it was created by Uto Van Rossum in 1991. So what was the thing he is inspired? He is inspired by the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus, right? And also Python is called as interpreted language because it's a code is executed line by an interpreter rather than being fully compiled into machine code beforehand. That is why we are going to tell or call it as a interpreted language, right? So this is the why you use Python. It is a readable and beginner-friendly language, right? And it uses simple and intuitive syntax, right? The syntax of Python is very easy. It is very easy to understand from to everyone, right? And can be used for web development, right? Data analysis, A and machine learning, and more, right? And also it can work on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, right? And we have a library tools like data manipulation, visualization, and automation, right? And also we have active community, millions of developers use worldwide, right? So the history of Python. Late 1980s, Udo Vendors began working on Python as a hobby project, right? Later on, in 1991, Python 1 version released with basic functions, right? Like functions, exception handling, and core data types, right? And after that, in 2000, Python 2 version released. It is introduced comprehension and garbage collection, right? And after that, we have a 2008 in which Python 3 is released, right? With major updates like Unicode support, print as a function, and enhanced libraries. And today, Python is one of the most popular programming language globally. If you see in 2025, you will see uh, the result of Python will be on the peak, right? So this is installation of Python. Go to the official Python website www.python.org where click on download Python, choose the version compatible with your operating system, right? After that, run the installer, right? On Windows, you will check add Python to Python before clicking install, and on Mac OS or Linux, follow the on-screen instructions. And after that, after verifying installation, right, you will go open terminal or command prompt where you will type Python dash dash version. If you have a downloaded Python 3, then you will write Python 3 dash dash version, right? So Python syntax, script mode, and IDE. So this is the Python syntax, print hello world, right? And script mode is save your code in .py file. If you want to use IDE in Python, then first of all you will save your file with the .py file, right? Just like Python myfile.py, right? So after your file name, you will write .py file, right? And these three IDs we have: Python, VS Code, or Jupyter Notebook, right? For writing or testing Python code, you will write Python code, right? Comment in Python is represented by hashtag, right? So if you want to learn Python as a beginner level, then I will suggest you the book which is written by the Philip Tobin, which is Python Programming for Beginners. I highly recommend it you if you want to see or if you want to learn Python as a beginner level, right? So in the last Python libraries and their use, these are the some of them are frameworks and some of them are modules. So if you use Python plus Django, you will get web development, and Python plus Matplotlib, you will get data visualization. So these Python plus you will get what web application. So these are the frame modules of Python you can use for your career, right? So thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.